Alright, so today we're going to be talking about finding extrema using differentiation. So for this first one, we just want to find our local minima or maxima. And so to do that, we can use the first derivative test and set f prime of x equal to 0. So f prime of x equals 4x cubed minus, not 27, sorry, minus 9x squared plus 6x to the 5th. And this is equal to 0. We can take out an x squared here, set this equal to x squared times 6x cubed plus 4x minus 9. And the solutions to that are going to be x equals 0 or x equals, let me plug that in really quickly, 0.953 rounded to 3 decimals. And from here, something we can do to figure out whether it's a minima or a maxima, let me just erase this, is we can use the second derivative test, right? So the second derivative, let me write that in blue. Sorry, write that in blue. The second derivative is going to be f double prime of x equals 12x squared minus 18x plus 30x to the 4th. And we can see that f double prime of 0, that is going to equal 0. So it's neither a max or a min because the concavity is neither up or down. And that f double prime of 0.953, that's going to be greater than 0. It's about 18.49. So that's going to be greater than 0, so it's concave up, and that is going to be a local min. So we can say our local min is 0.953, comma f of 0.953 will be negative 6.023. And this is our local minimum. All right, moving on, let's talk about absolute minima or maxima. And so for this, it's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is you have to check your endpoints as well now. And so the first thing we're going to do is find our local minima or maxima, right? So we check f prime of x equals 7x to the 6th plus 4x cubed, and we set that equal to 0. And from there, we get x cubed times 7x cubed plus 4 equals 0, or x equals 0, or x equals, let's see, negative 0.83. And from here, now all we have to do is check the endpoints and the points we found. So f of negative 1 will be the first one we can check. That's going to be equal to 0. F of negative 0.83, that will be equal to approximately 0.2. F of 0 is going to just be 0. And then f of 1 equals 2. So we can say that our absolute maxima is 1, 2 on this range, and that our absolute minima are negative 1, 0, and also 0, 0. And that is all. Thanks.